This is an Uber ad that's been running on television quite a bit. You'll notice that I've put the element sequence on the left-hand side, and we won't find all of those elements. In fact, we only have 2, 3, 8, and 9. The tricky thing is we have two number 3s. We have two containers here. So we're going to start with number 2, element 2, which is the title. For some reason, they added the channel name into the title. We're going to eliminate that and just keep it to the title. So where it says /Uber, we're taking that out because we're going to address that in a different container. So just number 2, thank you for writing. And then we move on to the container, and the container is the same as the channel name. So whatever the channel is, that's your container. The next one we're going to address is the date it was posted. So that is always present on YouTube. So just take a look at that, April 8, 2020. And there it is. Now notice that we abbreviate the month if it has more than 4 letters to 3 letters with a period. If it's May, there's no period. If it's July, there's no period. September, oddly, is SEPT with a period. It's the only anomaly. The next thing we're going to add is the second container, which is YouTube. It's treated kind of like a database. So before you introduce a second container, there is a period, and then you write the second container. And finally, we have our location, which in most cases, if it's a website, is the URL. So you're going to use the complete URL. I just wanted to expand it so you could see that up there. And there is your location. So that's your complete citation for a YouTube advertisement. Okay, so we're going to cite this advertisement, and very much like the other advertisement, there are a lot of elements that just don't exist here. So this is the ad, and this is where we retrieved it. It's in Flipster. It's our digital magazine provider. It's a part of EBSCO. And this is the cover of the magazine. And if you look at the table of contents is where you'll find which issue it is. So this is the May 2020 issue. You can see we've broken this down. The product name is the title. We've added a description to say that it's an advertisement. It's probably a good idea in this instance. I don't think it's necessary on YouTube. But because you have very limited number of elements, it can be a little bit confusing about how you found it. So we're going to say it's an advertisement. The magazine name is the container. The magazine issue is the date of publication. The location is a page number. There's no URL for this. And then we're going to treat Flipster as the second container. And so there you have it.